Hey, great to see you. If you're someone who's tired of waiting on your computer and quietly knows it deserves better, the SER9 Pro is going to feel like a breath of fresh air. This is for the person who notices when performance lags behind ambition. You don't just want speed, you want reliability, responsiveness, and hardware that keeps pace with you. Before you get deeper into this, take a moment and check the current price and stock. Fast, capable systems like this don't sit unnoticed for long. You probably remember the exact moment you realized your current setup wasn't cutting it. Maybe you dropped into a game only to feel hesitation. Maybe your timelines lagged during editing. Maybe you had too many screens open and suddenly everything gets bogged down. That frustration disappears the moment you switch to something that never hesitates. You'll feel the relief right away. No more noise, no more waiting, just smooth performance that feels like it gets you. In real-life use, brilliance isn't just about numbers, it's about how it feels. Gaming at high refresh rates becomes immersive instead of jittery. Triple 4K displays feel effortless. Creative workflows without stalls. Office tasks and everyday browsing feel snappy and refined. There's a level of confidence you get when your machine never interrupts your flow, and once you feel that, going back to compromise feels impossible. If you're hesitating because many PCs seem underpowered, those doubts fade fast. This isn't a lightweight performer, it's balanced, capable, and built to keep up with demanding real-world tasks while staying compact. The surprise benefit? You get premium vibes without the premium tower bulk. Everything feels intentional and refined. Owning something that just works changes how you approach your day. There's pride that comes with dependable performance. You feel it every time you open a project, launch a game, or switch between tasks without a single glitch. Performance stays smooth no matter what you throw at it. Handles creative work and gaming without compromise. Keeps multiple displays crisp and responsive. Feels reliable day in and day out. Compact without feeling underpowered. Not built for ultra-high-end GPU expansion. Premium performance comes with a premium price. Eventually, you stop reopening comparison tabs. You realize you already know which system feels right. Every time you consider something slower or weaker, your mind circles right back here. Don't let this become one of those upgrades you delay and look back on later with regret. If you want quiet confidence, fluid performance, and hardware that keeps pace with you, check the price and make your move with certainty. The SER9 Pro is ready when you are.